still to come on the BBC.
Yeah, it's certainly been quite a troublesome start to the day for many of us, especially across southern parts of the UK. Of course, the snow, fresh covering. For many of us, I think quite a number of areas got around about 5 centimetres of snow. And this is the band of weather, basically where it's blue. This is the radar. That's where it's been snowing, especially overland. The brunt of this snow was felt across the southwest of the country and southern parts of Wales, and indeed as forecast parts of southern Britain also got a good covering of snow. So this is the scene at around about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So we've got the remnants of the snow. This is very much a dying band of snow. Leftovers, bits and pieces of it still across the London area in the next couple of hours or so. The further southwest you are, so at least the snow's not falling out of the sky, but of course there's quite a covering still, especially across the hills. So some snow melt going on here as we go over the next couple of days or so, as that very slow, gradual thaw sets in. Around about 1 or 2 degrees across Wales, the north and the east of Wales, some flurries of snow expected. In Northern Ireland this afternoon, not cold enough for snow. We're talking about 3 degrees, so drizzle mainly. That's the feature of this afternoon. And across Scotland, again, temperatures have been rising here in the last couple of days or so. Still some snow expected, of course, across the hills and the mountains, where it's remained very cold for the foreseeable future. And also across northern England, you can see this band of snow here. But the main message is, if it's snowing where you are right now, the snow will be slowly dying away and transferring further northwards. And as it does move further northwards, that band of snow will get lighter and lighter. But it will still give a bit of a covering in 1 or 2 places, say 1 or 2 centimetres. But the main message tonight is, of course, after the fresh snow and any snow melt today, with temperatures dropping, it's all going to refreeze once again. So ice, a major hazard. The temperatures, well, they're not too low, 0 degrees. We've seen it colder than that, but certainly cold enough for those icy stretches to develop first thing in the morning. And of course, freezing fog is going to be another issue, which makes things just that little bit more icy on your car, for example. Now, as far as the weather's concerned tomorrow, no real snow to talk of. It's just a cloudy day with mist and murk and some fog persisting. Really gloomy day. It'll feel cold. Temperatures will be in many areas just above freezing, but because of the lack of sunshine, it'll feel pretty raw. And then tomorrow evening, so this is the rush hour tomorrow, not a lot changes, gloomy and pretty cold. By the time we get to the end of the week, we've got Atlantic winds coming in, bringing milder conditions. We haven't seen temperatures like this for a while, but I do want to stress that when I say milder, actually I mean less cold, because the temperatures are still going to be below the average, and there's still a very real risk of snow as we head into the weekend, especially across eastern parts of the UK. So stay tuned.
Thomas, thank you very much.